Have you ever tried to make money online but failed? So no need to worry anymore. We show you some of the best ways to make money online, in this video. This video will help you to increase your income very fast. Subscribe to our channel, and without further ado, let's start the video. Number 5. Become a CAPTCHA solver. If you have more free time, 2 hours per day, you can add income to your pocket by doing CAPTCHA solving work. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. As a CAPTCHA solver, you must read the CAPTCHA images and enter the correct characters. You need to be very fast in order to earn better income. You can get paid up to $2 for every 1,000 CAPTCHA you solve. Number 4. Become a YouTuber. YouTube is one of the hottest trend in earning cash online. You can start your YouTube channel, upload some quality videos, and then become a YouTube partner to make money online on YouTube. You can create different kind of videos like prank videos, comedy videos, kitchen recipes, how to do videos, travel tips, or anything you think is useful for people. Once you get the videos views and subscribers for your channel, then you can apply for YouTube Partner program. Once you get the approval, people will see the ads along with ads in your videos. You will make money for each views your video receive. You can shoot videos from your smartphone or any DSLR camera. 3. Writing assignments. Writing is another best way to make money on the internet by writing different types of content. You can write for blogs, businesses, organizations, individuals, etc. Different types of writers are paid differently. Usually people get paid from $5 to $20 and more to write 500-word content. You can go to sites like Upwork, iWriter, WriterBay, Freelance Writing, TextBroker, ExpressWriters.com, FreelanceWritingGigs.com to find content writing jobs. Number 2. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is like a personal assistant that can make money working online for someone who is not physically present. He can perform various tasks like website care, consulting, writing and proofreading, content publishing, marketing, coding, website and app development, research, etc. There are dozens of companies like Hire My Mom, MyTasker, Zirtual, YouAssistMe, 123eprisy where you can apply for virtual assistant jobs. Number 1. Become freelancer. Freelancing is another popular way of making money after blogging and affiliate marketing. As a self-employed person, you can temporarily work with small or large companies and offer your services to them. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $500 to over $2,000 per month depending on the type of freelance work you'll be doing for your clients. You can work as a content writer, web designer, graphic designer, or provide services like SEO, data entry, testimonial videos, digital marketing, and more. There are dozens of popular sites like Upwork, Freelancer.in, Work&Hire and many more that can provide you with ready-made platforms with ready clients. That's all for today's video. We will continue to share videos on exciting content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to the channel for our new videos. Thanks for watching.